Hi, good afternoon. I am Dr. Bharti Ganesh, Head of the Department of Civil Engineering in Nitya Meenakshi Institute of Technology. Nitya Education Trust is founded about 30 years back, and there are more than 36 institutions under Nitya Education Trust. NMIT, Nitya Meenakshi Institute of Technology, is founded in 2001, and the Civil Engineering Department is a decade old for in 2019. We have civil engineering UG program as well as pre-PG program. Our institute, our program is UG program is NBA accredited for 3 years. The order of the day is to train the students for skill development, because one of the feedback from the industry we get is the employability of the students has to be increased. Expectation of the industry has to be taken on a regular basis in terms of feedback, or including industry people in the board of studies, and those provisions we have because our college is under autonomous, under VTU. It is an autonomy. We have an autonomy in academics. So we frame our syllabus. We train the students with various skills. See, the need of skill training has got its importance during Modi as our Prime Minister period. In 2015, if I am right, there was a skill movement where it was planned to train nearly 40 crore youths towards skill training by 2022. The main objective of skill training is to enhance the productivity as well as the quality of the production. This skill training is needed in all the areas, including technical field, to enhance the productivity. And main skill training has most important importance in civil engineering, because construction trade involves many skills. One of the skills which needs focus is software. Now the technology has advanced so much that there is an application software in the field of civil engineering. It may be say um, ETAPS, StatPro, then Bridge for analysis and design of civil engineering structures in various fields. And for highway and transportation engineering, we have uh, MX Road. Then BIM, it includes from 2D to 7D, and even the quantity estimation and survey. Earlier we used to use Excel sheet. Now the days are changing and it is quantity takeoff. Like that, we have many software. It may be say for foundation design, it may be Revit for 3D Max, as well as 3D structural, and we have Tekla software especially for design of steel structure. Like this, there are many products, and students should be trained in these areas in addition to the construction trades such as masonry work, bar bending schedule, and flooring, painting. Many such areas are there in civil engineering field where students are to be trained to make them employable. So one of our objectives, one of the objectives of NMIT is to enhance skill in all these areas. So we have associated with many companies or the CAD trainers like CAD Center, where they come to us on a regular basis, provide training, hands-on experience for 2 days. It's like a crash course, but they provide it free of cost also. That is that they will get an awareness what is needed in the industry, and for training the students in bulk, we associate with companies like CAD Center and train the students. This is one part where we train the students towards a software application. It may be in the field of highway, as I mentioned earlier, highway and transportation, geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering, or hydraulics and water resources, or any other field of civil engineering. Today, right now, a training in total station is going on. It was a time where I have studied I have studied theodolite. Entire survey used to be conducted using theodolite, but it has become an obsolete now. Total station is a must. So we have quite number of total station also. In addition to it, we call industry people to train the students, providing a certificate so that they can get employed very easily.